Welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's Backend Theme, the Arc theme powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important feature which is RTL Language Support. Since we are all aware that we are using the English language which is the LTR alignment support, but definitely there are some languages existing in the world which requires the RTL alignment. So basically into our theme we provide you that support as well. To achieve this feature we have to go into the profile option. Here we have to choose the preferences. Once we do that, we can see the language, and once we choose the language as any different language. For an example, I choose the Arabic, and I save my settings. After this, you can see all the content has become right to left into the alignment. So this feature is called as the RTL Language Support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any further questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.